So in this problem, we need to prove the following. Let us begin. So we will start a problem from the right hand side. So here, let's start with the right hand side. We have 2 times cosine theta raised to the power of 4 added to sine theta whole raised to the power of 4. We're going to rewrite the two terms within the parentheses. So cosine theta raised to the power of 4 can be also expressed as cosine squared theta whole squared. And sine squared, when the next term will be sine squared theta whole squared. The reason we're writing in this particular fashion because we have a formula. We know that cosine squared theta, that's given by 1 plus cosine 2 theta over 2. And then we have sine squared theta. So sine squared theta is given by 1 minus cosine 2 theta divided by 2. So let's substitute these values. So we have 2 times 1 plus cosine 2 theta whole divided by 2. We are going to square this value. And then we are going to add it to 1 minus cosine 2 theta divided by 2 whole squared. So let's compute the value. Now we have 1 plus cosine 2 theta whole squared. So that's going to give us 1 plus 2 times cosine of 2 theta added to cosine squared 2 theta divided by 4. And then expanding 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 2 whole squared gives us 1 minus 2 times cosine of 2 theta plus cosine squared 2 theta whole divided by 4. So let's combine the two terms within the parentheses. We are going to have a common denominator of 4. In the numerator, we have 1 plus 2 times cosine of 2 theta plus cosine squared 2 theta added to 1 minus 2 times cosine of angle 2 theta plus cosine squared 2 theta. Okay, now here we can cancel out 2 cosine 2 theta and negative 2 cosine 2 theta. So that leaves us with 1 added to 1, so that will be 2, plus we have cosine squared theta repeating twice, so that will be 2 times cosine squared 2 theta whole divided by 4. Now if we factor out this 2 from the numerator and multiply it with 2, so we get 4 times 1 plus cosine squared 2 theta divided by 4. So the 4 and 4 gets cancelled out, and that leaves us with 1 plus cosine squared 2 theta, which is the expression on the left hand side. So hence 1 plus cosine squared 2 theta equals 2 times cosine theta raised to the power of 4 plus sine theta raised to the power of